So the whole reason you clicked on this video is something I kind of wanted to go over, the problem with the Air Jordan 11 Gratitude. Haven't you people ever heard of closing the Oh shit, man. God damn it. I raged too damn hard. My damn microphone went under the oven, bro. Gotta be kidding me. That's literally tragic. I chime in. Haven't you people ever heard of closing the goddamn door? Yeah. Oh, don't worry. Found that mug. I chime in. Sorry, by the end of this video, you finna be singing this. Haven't you people ever heard of closing the goddamn door? Yeah, you know that song. Ooh, my boy, I'm out of breath. Air Jordan 11 Gratitude, man. What did I tell y'all? These are sitting in certain areas. I even still have people in my comments like, I don't know what you're talking about, bro. I believed you, and you know, you said they weren't gonna sell out, and I went on the website and they sold out. And now, you know, we're sitting here like, I can't get jiggy with this shit. All right, let me stop. So the whole reason you clicked on this video is something I kind of wanted to go over, the problem with the Air Jordan 11 Gratitude. And you know, I spoke about the quality of things because personally, I thought anyone that got these in hand would genuinely like them. And honestly, to my surprise, there was a lot of comments saying, you know, how can you do a review without wearing these for a while? There's this and that and problems. And you know, Foamer got a pair from StockX, which is a crazy story, but the 23 was actually, or not the 23, but the Jumpman was melted. And you know, that could be a potential issue if you live somewhere hot or, you know, your sneakers are near some heat, I don't know, something crazy, and it causes it to melt. It would probably have to be like extremely hot in order for that to melt. But I mean, that's just the material. That's gonna happen regardless, bro. If there was too much heat near your sole, it would melt. That's a very rare case, but the problem that everyone is complaining about is the level of creasing. And this is what I think is funny to me. To each his own, right? Like, I used to be in high school, when I get a new pair of J's, I'd be penguin walking and I'd have crease protectors in here to make sure there were no creases. You know, I wanted to keep my J's as pristine as possible. But nowadays, man, you would never catch me with crease protectors. Now, I would promote them for sure because they do the job, right? You can put them in your shoe, you can stuff your shoe, and that's really how you can keep the shape of it, right? You can get sneaker shields. I think there's another company called like Crease Beast. It's like a sock that you put on and it keeps your shoe from creasing. But I personally am just not into that. Like, I don't really care. For me, when I get a shoe that I really like and I wanna wear, I'm going to wear it into the ground, probably destroy them, and then I'll move on to the next. Now, even more, some of my more specialty shoes, or I guess more limited, or sneakers that I really wanna keep pristine, still, I'm just gonna wear them lightly. I won't take them out too much. And I've never been one person to just like trash shoes. It's just never been my style. But in terms of creases, man, that is naturally going to happen. A lot of people are like, oh, the material. And I'm just telling you, I'm just reciting what I've heard from the comments and adding some proof to it. So I wore these on Saturday. You know, I got these early, right, from Nike sneakers app. And I did wear them and they creased pretty bad off of like super light wear. But man, that's what 11s do, bro. Like, I don't understand people. It just makes me wonder, are people just looking for something to complain about now? Because I have no complaints about these 11s. I told you guys, I think in certain areas they will sit, and come to find out, I had hundreds of YouTube videos on my feed of people like, 11s are still sitting, go to JD Sports, go to Foot Locker. Oh, I live here, oh, I live there. Oh, they literally just restocked. Today's Monday, December 11th, and they restocked other sites that I saw on Twitter. Now, I did say they were gonna end up in the outlet, and I still do believe that there are going to be pairs in the outlets. Not across the nation, but I think we'll see some there. Personal opinion, man. This is the first time ever, and it's kind of a cool aspect of, like, if you get a flawed pair, you know, typically with limited sneakers, you get a flawed pair and you want to return it. Nike can't do anything for you because they're sold out. But in this instance, you could get lucky and they might have more pairs, or you get a flawed pair, you don't like it, you want to return it, and you just go to your local store or call around and see who has them in stock, because there's potential that it's there, man. And I think that's really cool. I feel like I do keep reciting the same thing, but man, it is an exciting time to be a sneakerhead. I love just being able to go to the store and get shoes that I like. And I would imagine most of you guys would too, if you have the means or the funds to do it. I'm not out here buying every single shoe, and there's a reason, bro. I'm trying to save, dog. Just like everyone else, bro. We got bills to pay, you know? But it's just like one less thing to worry about. Like, if you like sneakers and you want to buy them, you saved a little bit of money and you go buy what you like. Like, it's awesome. I don't think there's a problem with these. If you want me to, like, you know, oh, clickbait, this is clickbait. And it's like, is it really, dude? Like, the problem is, yeah, they crease a little bit. People are like, oh, materials really aren't that good in hand. And yeah, maybe the leather isn't that fire around the side panels, but the tongue is nice. Like that's that shatter backboard soft butter leather, which I don't know why they didn't add it to the side panels. It's a cheaper material on the sides, but it looks tumbled. And I would imagine there's a purpose behind that. I definitely would have preferred if the entire shoe was like the super soft leather that's on the tongue, because man, it feels nice. Like I'm just sitting here like, ooh, butter. The side panels are a lot more stiff. It's like your typical Jordan 11, like very like stiff pleather. I'm assuming what they use. I think, I don't know whose video I was watching. This dude, he does like thorough test on the leather. Like he'll actually cut it and examine it. And it's really like a coating that they put over these shoes. But at the end of the day, man, they're meant to be worn. They're meant to crease. It's not gonna be the end of the world. All 11s crease. It's nothing new. I just wanted to put that out there, man. When you get these and you wear them the first day, best believe, I don't even know if you guys can kind of see like, you see the creasing right there? I don't know. I'll be able to see it once I'm editing, but that's what everyone's worried about. Or some people got pairs where it looked like a bowling ball had pushed the leather down. And in that case, just return it. People be complaining about the weirdest things. It's like, dude, no one put a gun to your head and said, hey man, you got the new limited Jordans and there's a flaw? You better keep them. Nah, bro, like send them back. It's $230, $250 after tax, whatever. Might even be $275 depending on where you're at. Return them, bro. It's really not that serious, especially if you're in a lucky area where you can just go to the mall and still get these. Like that's fire. But yeah, rant over, guys. You already know, new videos dropping every single day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. I have a really cool closet tour coming up that I'm excited to share with you guys, and just some cool content, man. Still trying to ramp this out, and I really appreciate all the love on all the videos lately, man. The views are going up. We're gaining subscribers, so it definitely makes me feel good, and you know, happy to be back at this. If there's one thing I could ask of you guys, it's just to drop a comment down below and hit the like button. I kind of just want the comments to be what kind of content you guys want to see. I love getting the feedback of that. Do you love the discussion videos? Do you want more reviews and on foots? I'm gonna drop the last video about these, I promise. It's just gonna be what I would wear with these, and that should come out this week is what I'm planning. Hope you guys are all safe, man, staying blessed. And I just wanna end this video with just a message of like, you know, times are tough right now, bro. But if you can, try to think of all the blessings that you have in your life. I reflect back to when I tore my patellar tendon in my knee just a year ago, and I couldn't even walk, man. I pretty much lost all independence within myself. And I remember sitting in bed just like praying, like I can't wait until I can just walk again, you know, just be normal. And those are like the little simple things in life that we forget about. The ability to just get up and go brush your teeth, right? The ability to call your mom or your dad or have family or have friends, dogs, you know what I'm saying? Shoot, the ability to collect sneakers, man, that's truly a blessing. There's people really out here struggling. So man, just a message for today, man. Happy Monday. Your boy Sneaker Life. I'll catch you on the next one. Run. Hands in the air now. Sneaker Life. Hey, 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 a Sneaker Life.